Dad, this is David. He's a great student.
Pleased to meet you, sir. I'll work very hard. I want to keep learning. Welcome to the firm.
We need to talk right now. Grace?
Hey, Grace.
I'm so glad you came.
I just finished my shift.
He is not for you.
Secretly, she begins to separate them. She hires a private investigator to dig up dirt on David, but finds nothing, except that he is honest and hardworking, and devoted to his widowed mother.
Grace, I need to show you something. David is cheating on you. Here is the proof. I can't do this anymore, David.
Wait, just let me explain.
Please don't make this harder.